Today start a new lecture, fitting reactions. Next reaction is fitting reactions. Fitting reaction. Look here, a fitting reaction used for only aryl halide. Only aryl halide. And words reaction used for only alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. In case of fitting reaction, in case of fitting reaction, a general reactions. General reaction. Look here, what is this? This is the aryl halide. What is this? This is the aryl halide. How many twice? Reaction with, a reaction with sodium metal. Reaction with sodium metal. Look here, in presence of, everybody, in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether, it gives diaphenyl. What is this? Yes. Like this. Correct? Yes. Yes. Name of the compound diphenyl. Plus twice NaX. Look here, phenaryl halide reacted with sodium metal. Phenaryl halide. Everybody, phenaryl halide is reacted with a sodium metal. In presence of dry ether, it gives diaphenyl. This reaction is called as a fitting reaction. This reaction is called as a fitting reaction. Repeat all of you. Phenaryl halide is reacted with sodium metal. In presence of dry ether, it gives diaphenyl. This reaction is called as fitting reaction. This reaction is called as fitting reaction. Yes. Look here, simple. Next point. Next. What is the action of? What is the action of sodium metal on bromobenzene? What is the action of a sodium metal on bromobenzene? Look here twice. What is this? Bromobenzene. Name of the compound bromobenzene. Name of the compound bromobenzene. Correct? Bromobenzene. Is reacted with sodium metal. Is reacted with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether. Yes. In presence of dry ether, it gives. Like this. It gives. Simple. 1 minute. Benzene. Correct? Yes. What is this? This is the diaphenyl. Name of the compound. Diaphenyl. Diaphenyl plus twice NaDr. Twice NaDr. Reaction here, everybody. A bromobenzene is reacted with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. It gives diaphenyl. It gives diaphenyl. Repeat. When bromobenzene is reacted with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives diaphenyl. What is the example of fitting reaction? Fitting reaction is a coupling reaction. Fitting reaction is a coupling reaction. A fitting reaction is a reaction of aryl halide. Aryl halide. Look here, simple here. When chlorobenzene is reacted to sodium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives diaphenyl. Same. What is this? Diaphenyl. The reaction is fitting reaction. Reaction is fitting reaction. What is a fitting reaction? Statement of fitting reaction. Phenaryl halide is reacted with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. It gives diaphenyl. This reaction is called as a fitting reaction. Yes. Look here next. Next, a fitting everybody. Next is a reaction. Word fitting reaction or fitting words reactions. Like this, fitting. Okay, fitting words. Fitting words reaction. Fitting words reaction. Look here, fitting reaction used for, in case of aryl halide, and words reaction used for in case of alkyl halide. This is the mixture. This is the mixture. A simple everybody here, a general reaction, like this, X. Okay. Name of the compound, aryl halide. Aryl halide. Aryl halide is reacted with. Aryl halide is reacted with alkyl halide. Aryl halide is reacted with alkyl halide. Actually, mixture of alkyl halide and aryl halide is reacted with sodium metal. What is this? REX. Name of the REX? Alkyl halide. Okay, alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. Yes, in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether. Compound like this. Correct? It gives. Okay. Here R. Double bond, double bond, double bond. Plus, okay, twice NaX. This reaction is called as alkyl benzene. Okay, alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene. Repeat. When the mixture of aryl halide and alkyl halide. When the mixture of a aryl halide and alkyl halide reaction with sodium metal. In presence of dry ether, it gives a corresponding alkyl benzene. This reaction is called as a fitting words reactions. Fitting words reaction. Aryl halide for fitting reaction, alkyl halide for words reactions. Words reaction. Look here, simple, everybody. Next, look here, simple questions here. What is the action of sodium metal? What is the action of sodium metal on the mixture of bromobenzene and bromomethane? Bromobenzene and bromomethane. Compound bromobenzene. Bromobenzene plus twice Na, plus like this, CS3Br. Name of the compound, bromomethane. Name of the compound, bromomethane. Bromomethane. In presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether, it gives, it gives like this. Name of the compound, like the CS3 here. Okay, double bond. Double bond, double bond. What is this? Toluene. Another name. Okay, here, look here, methyl benzene. Methyl benzene plus twice NaBr. Twice sodium bromide. Look here, when bromobenzene, when the mixture of bromobenzene and bromomethane. When the mixture of bromobenzene and bromomethane is reacted with sodium metal. In presence of dry ether, it gives toluene or methyl benzene. Type of the reaction, fitting words reactions. Type of reaction, fitting words reaction. Repeat all of you. When the mixture of bromobenzene and bromomethane is reacted with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives toluene, means methyl benzene. Look here, simple. Okay, next. What is the action of sodium metal on bromobenzene and bromoethane? Bromoethane, CS3, next CS2, next Br. What is this? Bromoethane. Bromoethane. You know here, simple. Okay, C2H5. C2H5. Name of the compound, everybody, simple, like this. Okay. Look here, when the mixture of bromobenzene and bromoethane is reacted with sodium metal. In presence of dry ether, it gives a ethyl benzene. It gives ethyl benzene. What type of reaction here? Fitting-Wirth reaction. Okay, Wirth fitting reaction or fitting-Wirth reaction here. Okay, yes. Bromobenzene, bromoethane. Bromobenzene, bromoethane. Only coupling reaction. In case of Wirth reaction using only, everybody, using alkyl halide. Fitting reaction using aryl halide and fitting-Wirth reaction using a mixture of alkyl halide and aryl halide. Okay, complete the chemical reaction of a haloaryls and alkyl halide here. Okay, stop here. Thank you.